Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and as per the popular demand we are going to do the unboxing of this particular case for the iPhone 11, that is Egotude. Please watch this particular video till the end because we are going to give and compare different cases which are there built for the iPhone 11. So let's get started. So let's unbox this Egotude slim case which we purchased from Amazon, and this is one of the best cases you can buy on Amazon, and the looks of it are similar to Spigen. I got this particular case for rupees 399 on Amazon, and let us just check out how it looks, and this is how it feels, guys. And if you like this kind of videos regarding case, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon to get future updates whenever we upload any new video. And this is how it looks. It almost looks similar to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, and as you can see from the sides etc, they are like pretty much similar, except for the fact that this is a matte case, and it is similar to the Amazon case which we had previously in unboxing on this particular channel. You all can even check out that particular case which we had done the unboxing for, and let us also just compare this with the Spigen Hybrid Ultra which we had been using for almost more than a year, and this is how it looks. And the feel of this particular case is matte compared to sort of a glossy one with the Spigen. And if you can see, the cases are almost of a similar dimension, except for the fact that these have a button which are closed, and there is also this camera protector. One thing what I noticed is there are sort of a tiny holes for the speaker, whereas on the Spigen there is just a very big cutout, and I don't know how this is going to be. And please subscribe to this channel because we are going to also place another video which will be telling about it. Also guys, let us just compare the Spigen Hybrid Ultra with this particular case which we have it, and if you see the camera bump and all, it is almost the same, but it is better on the Spigen, I feel so. Just is my opinion, and it is, everything is almost sort of a similar, even the glass etc, but I feel the glass of the Spigen is much more better. But please note, over time, like after using for a while, like almost a year, I just felt like the glass is getting yellow for the Spigen. Let me know in the comments below if you are using the Hybrid Ultra by Spigen and if you have noticed any similar issues. And guys, the snug fit and all this, there is a slight kind of a lip which is just above the top of this, and which is going to help you against the drop protection just in case accidentally you drop the particular phone with this particular case. And the matte finish is good, even the button feeling is very good. I would say this falls somewhere in between the Hybrid Ultra and the Amazon case, but my recommendation would be just go for the Amazon case, even the buttons and all which you can easily access. But please note that the lip on the front end of the screen is not that great, guys. So for the price range, if you really are on a tight budget, I highly recommend, because this is almost looking similar to the Spigen Hybrid Ultra. That's actually the most premium and the best case which is available for your iPhone 11, and just in case if you are on a tight budget, I would recommend this. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.